Dear students, myself Vijay Pratap Singh. Today we are going to discuss about our mail order retailing. In this topic, we have to discuss about mail order retailing. This is the BST, and we are discussing about these all things in the last lecture also. But now next topic is coming here about marketing management, how we can able to do our marketing management, marketing trade in our business environment. With the help of that, nowadays we are managing, otherwise we are doing our internal trade with the help of mail order retailing. Mail order retailing is a very important part of our business activity and should be the very important, and we are following it day to day. Now come on the topic. In the mail order retailing, sellers contact the potential buyers through advertisement and mail publicity. For example, we can say by sending circular, catalogs, very well. After that, price list, samples, booklets, etc. These are the important part. With the help of that, we can able to do our trade with the help of mail order retailing. Dear students, we are getting advertisement with the help of TV, newspaper, paper, magazine in our daily life with the help of painting, designing on the walls. A lot of things we can able to do to improve our mail order retailing. If our mail order retailing is improving day to day, then we are getting more and more success in our business environment, and our business will improve day to day, and our internal trade will also improve. With the help of that advertisement, with the help of advertisement, we can able to improve our any goods and services in the market with the help of advertise. When you are watching TV, cricket, as well as anything serial on the TV, after 10 minutes, 5 minutes, you are watching a lot of advertisement or particular goods and services. This is the process, and that one is the explanation of mail order retailing. In advertisement, we are getting these all things. What is the importance, feature, quality, price list, each and everything we are getting with the help of advertisement. So advertisement is a very important part. Next one is given in front of you, publicity. Publicity is also important part for each and every work. If we have to publish anything in the market, first we have to provide publicity in the market. If each and every people can able to know about that particular goods and services, then we have to publish about it. Publish means we have to tell each and everyone about that information with the help of advertisement or help of newspaper, otherwise with the help of speech. A lot of activities are here in our environment. With the help of that, we can able to do these all things. Next one is given, sending circular. With the help of circular also we can able to tell each and every process to other one. Next one, catalogs. In market you had seen a lot of people are sending catalogs door to door, otherwise people to people, hand to hand. With the help of that, they are providing advertisement in the market. The catalog is the one particular page. On that page, each and every information is written, and that information we are distributing in the public. That's why we are distributing catalogs in the market. Next one is given, price list. Price list is also important part. With the help of price list, we can able to explain that particular goods and services is there on that much cost. With the help of that, customers will come and achieve that all things with the help of price list. So first we have to explain what is the price list of the particular goods and services. With the help of that, your mail order retailing will improve day to day. Next one is a given sample and booklets. Booklets you know very well. With the help of one book and each and every information is provided inside. These all are the very important part of our mail order retailing. We can say these types of advertisement is called to providing information to the market. With the help of that, we can say this is the very easy way to improve our selling in the market, and we can able to give each and every information to our customers. That's why these all names are very important part of our business activity. Suppose once again, advertisement, mail publicity, sending, circular, catalogs, price list, samples, booklet. These are the important part. With the help of that, we can able to publish our goods and services in the market. Suppose for example, now you want to purchase any particular goods and services with the help of online. First you will see the picture only and quality and price list. According to that, each and every information is written on that page. After that, you are going to select each and every conditions you are reading it. This is the process of mail order retailing. After that, we have to discuss about the feature of mail order retailing. The feature is a very important part. With the help of that, each and every information we can able to deliver to our customers. The seller send circular catalogs to each and every position and condition. This is the also important feature of your mail order retailing. Another thing we can say, payment is recorded through VPPR according to online services, credit card, debit card, otherwise cash also you can able to provide. These are the important part. This is the feature of mail order retailing. Now we are going to discuss about the trading procedure of mail order retailer. About that, we are going to discuss about that. In last lecture, I had told about the retailer, seller, consumer, a lot of things I had explained. According to that, we have to discuss each and every topic today. Once again, that I had told you one chain. According to chain, we are discussing each and every topic in the market, and that chain is a very important part. Same chain you have to read in 11th class and 12th class both. That's why this information is for both classes. That's why this is the important part of your daily life. Another thing is a given advertisement. Dear students, when we want to improve our business activity, internal trade, otherwise mail order retailing, we have to improve our advertisement. With the help of advertisement, we can able to launch any particular goods and services in the market with the help of advertisement. Advertisement is a very important part. With the help of that, we can publish any particular goods and services in the proper way. And next one is given in front of you. Order receiving and processing. Order means, suppose customer have provided order with the help of mail, online, otherwise with the help of these all process, these all are included in that one. With the help of that, we can able to first take our order and give delivery. For example, suppose customer had get information with the help of advertisement, then he can able to give order. Another one, with the help of publicity he can get order. Another thing, with the help of catalog. In catalog also each and every information should be there. Otherwise, with the help of price list, I want to purchase that particular goods and services. Another one, suppose with the help of sample. Sample means first time I had got any goods and services for using. After that I had got satisfaction and I will receive once again that particular goods and services that much, and this is the explanation of sample. So with the help of sample also we can able to order our particular goods and services in the market. This is the important part. These are topics what is written in front of you. These all are the very important part of your order. With the help of these all explanation, all topics, only you are getting your order in the business activities. And next one is given in front of you. Receiving payment. Payment we can get with the help of online, net banking, debit card, credit card. Otherwise, any other credit card should be given in front of you. With the help of that, you can able to get your payment with the help of these all activities. Payment is an important part because the company has lost their each and every goods and services in the market for only earning profit. So they have to need income, and that income is a very important part of our daily life. With the help of that, we can able to improve these all things in the market. So dear students, with the help of this information, you have to complete your notes, and this is a very short note is given in front of you of mail order retailing and mail order retailing purpose. Otherwise, we can say how we can establish our mail order retailing in the market. These all are the important notes and important information in front of you. With the help of that, you have to make your notes and complete your syllabus. And subscribe my channel. This is the last information I am providing you. In each and every video I am explaining same thing. You have to subscribe my channel and share my video to others also. Thank you.